What we assume really does become our reality. Power stands still. The cave you are afraid to enter has the treasure you seek. These are a couple inspiring and very powerful quotes. The net result of what we assume and what we believe to be is fact. The meaning we give, whether empowering or disempowering, will go into the subconscious mind, and the subconscious mind will express accordingly. Disempowering thoughts will be expressed as disempowering experiences through people, environment, and circumstance. Empowering thoughts will be experienced because it expresses on the subconscious mind, taken in via the five senses. The meaning it will be expressed outwards as empowering through people, environment, circumstance, and opportunity. We have the choices. Imagination really creates reality. A person that is thinking of a concrete and worthwhile goal is going to reach it. You can think of a worthwhile goal and it will be brought forth. You can think of fear, doubt, frustration, and it will be brought forth. You become who you were destined to be with the right thoughts and assumptions. Everything in your life is contributing to your dreams and goal. Replace every disempowering thought one by one with empowering thoughts and see your life change for the better and see all your dreams come true.